students, we are going to discuss with you the chapter number 1, location and size in geography, right? Have you seen globe all? Model of earth. Our earth is spherical. So our earth by equator divides in equal part. Equator is an imaginary line which divides our earth in two equal parts in two hemisphere. Half of a sphere is called hemisphere. Our earth is full sphere. Equator divides in two hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. First thing you will underline, India is located in northern hemisphere. India is located in northern hemisphere. Look at the map given in your book. This is the earth is showing over here, and see, this is the thick line. It is equator shown in this equator, and yellow color country is India. So is it above the equator or below the equator? Where is India? Above the equator or below the equator? Above the equator. बेटा टर्न ऑन करो आपका माइक, देन कैन आई हियर यू. टर्न ऑन करिए माइक, देन कैन आई. Above the equator or below the equator? Above the equator. It means India is in northern hemisphere. It means it is very much clear. India is at northern hemisphere. Second thing, beta, underline, this is very important, which is asked mostly in your exam. Latitudinal extent of India. Latitudes, two latitudinal NOC imaginary lines होती है जो आपको ये नजर आ रही हैं इक्वेटर के पैरेलल. Those lines are parallel to equator. These are called latitude lines. So Indian southernmost point, मतलब India's southern point, Kanyakumari, southern part is very close to equator. Kanyakumari is located at 8 degree 4 minute north. 8 degree 4 minute north, and is showing India is located in northern hemisphere. Starting from closer to equator, first Kanyakumari, which is located at 8 degree 4 minute, and northernmost point, जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट इंडिया का, जो कश्मीर का टिप है, लास्ट कश्मीर का टॉप है, यहाँ पर कश्मीर का जो टॉप है, it is located on 37 degree 6 minute north. First, India is located in Asia. India is located in northern hemisphere. India is located in Asia. India's latitudinal extent is, tell me, what is the latitudinal extent of India? I told you 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and capital you have to put, okay, and stand here northern hemisphere. This is our latitudinal extent. Learn it, it's a very important. Clear? Next, longitudinal extent. If whole globe is divided by the prime meridian, vertically, if globe is divided or earth is divided, then India is located eastern hemisphere. That's why in eastern hemisphere, longitudinal extent, that is 68 degree. You just see in this map. See where is the 68? 68 degree Gujarat, 68 degree 7 minute east. Able to see 68 degree 7 minute. Able to see. Then come to northeast, 97 97 degree 25 minute east. This is our longitudinal extent. Okay, so this is our location on globe, longitude wise or latitude wise. In the beginning you will write down this in the notes, or it is both. Three questions are very important. E stand here, eastern hemisphere, and stand here, northern hemisphere. Clear to all? Any doubt? No. Good. Now we talk about that Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, just see that. This is the India. Just see it. It is India. And Tropic of Cancer, this is the line. Divides India almost in two parts. North India and South India. North India and South India. Which line divides it? Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is a latitude. Tropic of Cancer is a latitude, horizontal line on globe, which is at 23 degree 30 minute north. It is also another latitude which divides India in two parts, to the south or to the just see that country divide to equal part, to the southeast or southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman Nicobar Islands. There are two big islands. First is Andaman Nicobar Island. Just see and tell me, in which water body Andaman Nicobar Island is located? Tell me fast. In which water body Andaman Nicobar Island is located? Where? Indian Ocean or Arabian Sea? No, there are two water bodies. Just see, given in the map, Andaman Nicobar Island is not located in Arabian Sea. It is located in Bay of Bengal. Just see, it is located in Bay of Bengal. And Lakshadweep, it is located in Arabian Sea. These two islands are part of India. These are also located in India. These are a part of India, but they are not associated, not linked with the mainland of India. Mainland is starting from Kanyakumari to Kashmir and Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. This is the India location. Lakshadweep is located in Bay of Bengal, and the Andaman Nicobar Island, which is located in the Arabian Sea. This is the location. Now come to the size. Okay, come to the side. We have completed our location. Location is explained and in latitude wise and longitude wise. Okay, remember, if I ask question, explain the location of India, then you will answer in latitude extent and longitude extent of India. Right? Clear to all? Now I am talking about size. India is having around 3.28 million square kilometers area. Underline it. Now we are explaining size. First point in size you will write 3.28 million square kilometer area, which is around 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. How much area we are having in India percentage wise? 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world we are having in our country, right? India is the 7th largest country of the world. Underline, area wise. Area wise, our rank is 7th. Our rank is 7th. Population wise, what is our rank in the world? What is our rank in the world population wise? कितनी क्या रैंक क्या है हमारी पोजीशन पॉपुलेशन वाइज? हेलो, फर्स्ट है या सेकंड है? सेकंड, गुड. आर पोजीशन इज second. Okay, so now India has a very long coastal lines. It is around 15,200 kilometers, the total length of the coastal line of the mainland, including Andaman Nicobar Islands. India is now surrounded by the Yangfold Mountain in the northwest, north, and the northeast. We are having Yangfold Mountain Himalaya, which is covering India from the north, from northwest or in northeast. पूरा घिरा हुआ है हमारे टॉप पर, हमारा मुकुट कहते हैं हमारे भारत का हिमालय है. और नाउ नॉर्थ लेटीट्यूड, अगर हम बात करें, साउथ ऑफ द अबाउट 22 नॉर्थ लेटीट्यूड टेपर एंड एक्सटेंड टुवर्ड द इंडियन ओशन. और इंडियन ओशन की तरफ साउथ में बात करें तो ढलान है, टेपर मतलब ढलान है इंडियन अरेबियन सी की तरफ, और ढलान है इसकी तरफ बे ऑफ बंगाल की तरफ. बीच में जो पार्ट है वो प्लेट्यू है, वो थोड़ा सा सराउंडिंग एरिया से अपलिफ्टेड है, उठा हुआ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेट्यू, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू वी आर हैविंग. We in detail we talk about these physical features in chapter number 2. Now beta, Indian Oceans dividing into two sea, Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east of our country. Eastern side we are having one water body, big water body, this is called Bay of Bengal, and western side we are having Arabian Sea, and south this is the only ocean which is named having Indian Ocean, or by this name we are having our country's name India. So this is the size of India. Okay, now talking about that, further we talk about that, further हम talk करते हैं बेटा कि latitudinal longitudinal extent में लगभग कितना difference है. If you divide it, extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. East west extent appears to be smaller than the northwest extent. जो इंडिया का आप डिवाइड करें 97 में से 67 और 8 डिग्री को 39 में से डिवाइड करें तो यू विल फाइंड दैट लॉन्गिट्यूडनल और लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट जो है इंडिया का, इट इज अराउंड 30 डिग्रीज का फर्क है. 30 डिग्री बिल्कुल स्क्वायरल है, 30 डिग्री का लगभग फर्क है लगभग. अब हम जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन यहाँ डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सन राइजेस इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश 2 hours earlier than Gujarat. Suppose sun rises, we are living in Rajasthan, our location at western part of Rajasthan, eastern part of Rajasthan. If we go to Gujarat, that is the extremely east, east में गुजरात में या राजस्थान के जो बाड़मेर जैसलमेर की बात करें हम, that where if sun rises at 6 a.m. in the morning, so you will feel sun will rise in Arunachal Pradesh at 4 o'clock. If sun rises 6 o'clock in Gujarat, 2 hours before it will rise in Arunachal Pradesh. That would be 4 o'clock. 2 घंटे पहले सनराइज हो जाता है हमारी ईस्टर्न स्टेट में, और उसके 2 घंटे बाद अगर ईस्ट से देखें तो बाद में सनराइज होता है वेस्ट में, गुजरात और राजस्थान। Why it happens? ऐसा होता क्यों है? This is very important question. Why it happens? Why there is a difference of sun rising time in east and west around 2 hours? ये 2 घंटे का डिफरेंस क्यों है सनराइज? Anybody can think and tell me? कोई बता सकता है? Anybody can tell me? कोई भी बता सकता है बेटा? This is the most important question which is asked here. ये सबसे important question है जो बेटा पूछा जाता है आपसे. हेलो, can you tell me? It's a very important question. Anybody would like to reply? Acha. Can you tell me the reason of this day and night? Why it happens? In lower classes you studied. Reason of day and night is rotation of the earth, right? Rotation of the earth is responsible for day and night, correct? What is responsible for change of seasons? Revolution. Very much correct. Only one child is giving answer. लवानिया हैं जो बिल्कुल मुझे आंसर कर रही है. अदर स्टूडेंट आर लिसनिंग ओनली, दे आर नॉट टेकिंग पार्ट इन डिस्कशन. आर यू नॉट एबल टू हियर? आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा अदर्स को? हेलो हेलो बेटा, नाउ आई हैव प्लान्ड टेस्ट फॉर यू पीपल. जल्दी से आप जो पहला चैप्टर हमारा है, पहला चैप्टर है हमारा स्टोरी ऑफ पालमपुर. दैट टेस्ट आई विल टेक, multiple choice test I will take. Okay, so get ready for test. Tomorrow evening at 6 I will take test on DOS. Okay, Google DOS. So I'll give you, attempt it and submit timely. Now I'll come to you. Now I have come to you. Why there is a difference of 2 hours? See the difference between longitudinal extent. Longitudinal extent we have studied in location 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. If you subtract 68 from 97, you will get around 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree, right? 30 degree you will get. If suppose now our earth rotates, okay, see, understand, I am just making you clear this concept. Suppose this is the earth which rotates like that, okay. So now the earth comes to sun like that, it rotates like that. So in this rotation, the area of one longitude, see, time taken to rotate one longitude area in front of sun is 4 minutes. Time taken to pass the area of one longitude in front of sun is around 4 minutes. But need to pass 30 degree, 30 longitude area. So 4 minutes multiplied by 30, what will come? 120 minutes. 120 minutes divides by 60, 2 will come. 2 will come. So it becomes 2 hours. Getting me? What I would like to say? There is a difference of 2 hours because there is a difference between longitudinal extent 68 to 97 degree. There is around 30-degree difference. Okay, that's why there is a difference of 2 hours, because the area of one longitude passes in front of the sun takes 4 minutes. 4 multiplied by 30, 120 minutes. 120 minutes means 2 hours. There is an exact calculation. That's why sun rises 2 hours before in Arunachal Pradesh and 2 hours later sun rises in the गुजरात. क्लियर टू ऑल? सबको समझ आ गया? ओके, और पूछिए क्वेश्चन अगर कोई चीज आपको अभी समझ नहीं आ रही हो. दिस इज द मोस्ट. क्या हुआ बेटा? ये लोकेशन है बेटा. क्या है, जब आप एक दो तरह की डिस्टेंस मेजर करने की है बेटा. जब आप फ्लैट सरफेस लेते हैं तो डिस्टेंस आप मेजर कर लेते हैं किलोमीटर में, राइट? लेकिन आप अगर कोई गोलाई पर डिस्टेंस मेजर करोगे, क्योंकि हमारी अर्थ जो है वो क्या है बेटा, स्फेरिकल है, इसलिए इस पर लीनियर डिस्टेंस हम नहीं ले सकते, तो डिस्टेंस उसके सेंटर से लेते हैं. अर्थ को हमने इमेजिनेशन कर रखा है ना. आपका जो क्वेश्चन है उसका जवाब ये है बेटा. आपने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. ये सबके दिमाग में आना चाहिए था. इसको हम किलोमीटर में क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं? ये देख बेटा, दिखाई दे रहा है मैंने क्या बनाया? अब ये क्या हुआ, अर्थ गोल है, स्फीयर का एक सेंटर ले लिया, और जो मैंने 30 डिग्री बनाया तो टॉप कहां जा रहा है, कश्मीर पर, और बॉटम कहां जा रहा है, इस लाइन का. ये दो लाइन बनाई ना मैंने, ये जो मैंने बनाई है, तो बॉटम आ गया 8 डिग्री, टॉप कहां आ गया 38 डिग्री. तो इसलिए बेटा स्फेरिकल है हमारी लोकेशन. दैट्स व्हाई वी काउंट इन डिग्रीज एंड मिनट्स, नॉट इन किलोमीटर्स, राइट? और ये जो मेजर किया गया है बेटा, ये हमारा लॉन्गिट्यूडनल अर्थ के सेंटर से डिग्री नाप रहे हैं हम, अर्थ के सेंटर से. 10th क्लास में अभी अभी आप 8 9th में, इफ यू आर इन 9, पाई डायग्राम बनाएंगे आप. पाई 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 ग्राफ बनाएंगे, पाई ग्राफ. तो उसमें आप ऐसे सेंटर से ग्राफ लोगे. तो इस तरह से जब आप लोगे तो कोई भी स्फीयर पे अगर हमें लोकेशन देखनी हो तो हम डिग्रीज में मेजर करते हैं बेटा, नॉट इन किलोमीटर. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज डिग्री एंड मिनट्स. डिग्री की जो स्मॉलर यूनिट है, जैसे किलोमीटर के बाद मीटर है, मीटर के बाद सेंटीमीटर है, फिर मिलीमीटर है, वैसे ही डिग्री का स्मॉलर यूनिट है मिनट, और मिनट का स्मॉलर यूनिट है सेकंड. ठीक है बेटा, क्योंकि घड़ी भी देखो आप रोटेट करती है गोल, इसीलिए उसको सेकंड और मिनट्स में बताया गया है. और वैसे ही हमारी अर्थ है जिस पर हमने डिस्टेंस को डिग्रीज में मेजर किया हुआ. क्लियर हो गया? बट यहां जो टाइमिंग जब भी मेजर होगी, हम लैटिट्यूड नहीं लेते. टाइमिंग के लिए, क्लॉक के लिए हमेशा टाइम एडजस्टमेंट के लिए लॉन्गिट्यूड हेल्पफुल होते हैं. और लॉन्गिट्यूड हमने यहाँ पर लिए हैं 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट, 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट. ठीक है, उनका डिफरेंस है 30 मिनट्स का और 30 डिग्रीज का. 30 डिग्रीज को मैंने आगे 120 मिनट्स और 2 आवर्स में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया. दिस इज आवर टुडेज क्लास. एनी क्वेश्चन इफ यू आर हैविंग यू कुड आस्क मी. हेलो, कोई क्वेश्चन है बच्चे आपका? हाँ बोलो. वो मैंने पढ़ाया ही नहीं अभी आपको, आप उससे क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे हो? मैंने पढ़ा दिया क्या? वो जब मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा तो आपके सारे आंसर क्लियर हो जाएंगे। हाँ, अभी आई एम आस्किंग के आप वो पूछिए जो मैंने स्टेट बताया अभी आपको। आज स्टूडेंट को क्या क्लास पता नहीं था या सब लॉकडाउन हो गए हैं? Okay, this is your class. See you again tomorrow. Get ready for the test. Okay, thank you.